Hi, welcome. I'm Priscilla Batzell. This is Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery's demonstrations and tutorials. Let's have some fun. This is a 16 by 20 inch canvas that's matte black for the moment. I'm going to use some cerulean blue. Because I love cerulean blue. I'm going to throw a little Egyptian blue in it, just to change up the totality of color. This is blue velvet. I'm going to use my rubber brushes. Thinking a little deep amethyst with that might be good. Either that or indigo violet, or maybe both. This is perfect indigo. Thinking periwinkle. Maybe some dancing fuchsia with it. Interference gold. I think the white and the yellow need to go up here. This Tuscan sun. I think I'm going to try the orange. Tempted by pink carnation. More tempted by Rhapsody Rose or Dancing Fuchsia. I'm going to try the Rhapsody Rose. Maybe not. Maybe Ginger Flower. I'm thinking a little tickled pink or Magenta Miami. Not tickled pink. We'll wait until we use up the paint that's on the canvas before I flip over the brush. That's kind of interesting. I'm okay with that. I need to put my brushes in the bucket. Pink carnation. Put it in, and I'm tempted by some tangerine. This is my nail art tool. Where's my tangerine? Well, no idea what it's going to look like, but it's going to be a start. Okay, so this is drying. It's been a couple days. Been busy. Promised myself I would try my best to mess around. I'm not sure where to go though. I think this color might be nice behind something. I really don't know where to start. I'll start right here. I'll grab my big brush, and I think I'm going to use some pink carnation. That was the yellow-orange combination. I really want some dancing fuchsia. I don't know if it'll work. Maybe I'd be better off with the Miami Magenta. I can tell you now, I think I'll have some extra paint. That's all for now, because otherwise I'll be late for dinner. It's not exactly what I expected, but it's okay. I can go from here. We are having fun. Okay, so this has been dry quite a while, and I got kind of not sure what I wanted to do with it. But I think I'm going to do somewhat sacrilegious seeming things and put some saffron, some orange crush, some custom yellow-orange. No, not the water lily. I can definitely do some of the dazzling white. And this will be my first experiment to see how this goes. And some dancing fuchsia. I guess while I'm here I'll do the, no I can't. I have to wait on that. That was Snapdragon. Okay, so I'm not unhappy with that, although I do want to use my residuals. Blue flame now though. And some of the dancing fuchsia. I have this inclination after I spread my colors to maybe, just maybe, add some black. More Dancing Fuchsia. I'm thinking about purple. Maybe the Snapdragon, along with Periwinkle. And I'm kind of being called also to some, come on out, some Frozen if I've got it handy. I'm going to try the Cerulean Blue. I don't think I'm going to clean off my spatula. I do need a clean spatula though. I kind of want the turquoise now. Is it going to be Cerulean Blue or is it going to be turquoise? I think it's going to be turquoise. I've got Vibrant Aqua. Trying to leave a little bit of the color behind and not overmix what I've got going here. I want more purple, which I'm calling Snapdragon Purple. Could have been a darker color. Maybe a little bit of Midnight Shadow won't hurt anything. Alright, good colors. I still want the black. This was my original intention. Give it a try. I've got another tool. I don't even know how this is going to turn out at all. And more Dancing Fuchsia. It's time for some dark purple. Perfect indigo. Being called to some more saffron. Not sure how much of that's going to show up. But hopefully enough of it so that it saves the day. I'm kind of hearing the call to some more turquoise. Pretty sure that dancing fuchsia is going to dry kind of dark. I'm inclined to add a little bit of white because of it. Not that it's going to help, but it might not hurt. The only thing I can think of is adding a little more black, but actually it's exceeded expectations. Maybe I just wasn't ready earlier. Thank you for being here. Thank you for the compliments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you for the donations that help keep me painting. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for sharing my videos. I really appreciate you guys being here. If you watch longer or watch some of the commercials or make a comment, those things are all super helpful to me. My creative playlists are on my YouTube channel. And if you go to my YouTube channel banner, you'll find the PayPal icon. Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links on my link tree. My community board will show you tomorrow's videos. If you have questions or you want the paint pouring recipe, ask me questions. It will. The paint pouring recipe is below Show More. When you click Show More, you're going to find my email address. Thank you for everything. Shop my Amazon link, please. You can buy anything you want from there. And my 2 books are there, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities, volumes 1 and 2. Thank you again for being here. I love you guys dearly. You inspire the heck out of me. Bye for now. Priscilla out.